paint the sky. Dreams are soaring, we touch the high. We're small but mighty, hearts so wide. We're the voice of tomorrow, side by side. Happy Independence Day. We call one voice, one heart for one and all. With every step we're riding the way. Together we rise, it's our day. Happy Independence Day. We call one voice, one heart for one and all.
So we are going to celebrate here Erudite Academy. So the first, I'm the host of the day. And 3, 2, 1, boom, start.
जय जय जय.
A few lines for Independence Day.
Thank you, Pritam sir. So warm good morning to everyone over here, and to all my staff members, teachers, mothers, students, office staffs. I welcome you here to celebrate our 79th Independence Day. So all we have gathered here to celebrate this day, as we all know, what is the importance. So I'm not going to speak much about Independence Day, but what we tend to do, that I want to just present before you. Like, we are not gathered here only to celebrate Independence Day, but also to reflect our role to guide our nation, to guide our children, and guide ourselves. For that, also we can give a reflection on this Independence Day. Like, we can say freedom fighters have sacrificed their life to give this independence to us. And we need to think, like, do we deserve that independence without being honest, without being anything which we can do for our nation? So let us think about that. So being independent doesn't mean we celebrate this day with great pomp and gay and after that we forget. According to me, independence, are we independent spiritually, morally? Do we have all those characters in us? So that is a big question for us. So with a note, like, we are going to celebrate every year, taking the promise, taking the oath, like, we will be truthful to us, we will be truthful to the nation. And apart from them, as we belong to this community, teacher fraternity, so we have a great responsibility. Responsibility towards children which are coming to our school, we have that. And that responsibility, are we filling it up? By giving them good moralities, good thoughts, good character. So with an oath, like we are going to serve our nation by serving our children, making them good. And for the children, I would say, like, you are the upcoming generation and you have also a great responsibility on you. So you should think about it. Are you independent of? So that is what I want to say. So with a note, like we will celebrate every year in this way, and greater than this we expect. So let us take an oath, like we will be truthful to our nation, and let us do something precious, something good for our nation. It is not like you will serve to the nation. By being yourself good, a good human being, that is the greatest service you will be giving to your nation, our nation. So with this note, like we will take this oath. Thank you very much, and a very, very happy independence to all of you, to all the teachers, to all the mothers, our office staff, and to all the children, those who have come to make this success a grand success. So thank you, children. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
I am Noe Minty, the representative of Class 9. Freedom is not just a word. It is the heartbeat of our nation. It is the echo of countless sacrifices, the dream of our leaders, and the pride of every Indian. On this Independence Day, I bring to you a poem, a salute to our motherland, a promise to keep her glory shining forever. Some things just can't be expressed in words. My eyes are a little wet seeing the one flying by. These are the tears of happiness seeing the birds flying high up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leaders, faced it all, making tough times pass by. There may be many things that can't be lived without, but freedom is what I cherish the most without. Love can speak volumes even when words become less. Love for freedom of some has left us blessed with these freedoms, these moments we share. Let's learn to care for the people around us. Care for our nation in every possible way. Come, let us wish our beautiful India a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Namaste. First and foremost, I'd like to wish each and every single one of us a very happy Independence Day. A day to never be forgotten, the day when we gain independence from the 200 years of colonial rule. Therefore, I, Devarchana, will be delivering a few words on reclaiming freedom in the modern age. Today, as we raise our flags and sing our anthems, we celebrate the sacrifices that won us independence. But freedom is not just about the past, it's about the future we shape. Our ancestors fought colonialism. Today we face invisible chains. Technology, meant to connect us, often isolates us. Progress, meant to uplift, sometimes harms our planet. Democracy, won with blood, is weakened by division and distrust. Yet, history teaches us no challenge is invincible. If our forefathers could defy empires with nothing but courage, can we not overcome greed, indifference, and short-sightedness? The call of this generation is clear. Unite, beyond politics, beyond screens, as one people. Protect our earth, our values, our shared humanity. Act, not just for ourselves, but for those who will inherit this nation. True freedom is not just about the absence of oppression. It's about the presence of justice, wisdom, and collective courage. Let us honor this day not just with pride, but with purpose. With this, I conclude my words. Thank you.
Thank you, Rachana. Now we have a special number, and that is our teachers, brothers, and our office staff's group, and that is a group song.
पूछी जाती है, किधर तक आओगे, किधर तक आओगे, किधर तक आओगे, कि तुमने ये घर सोना सोना है।
And all my dear friends, today we proudly celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation. This date is not just a date in history, it's the story of our freedom fighters' courage and struggles. We gather here to honor the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters and to celebrate the unbreakable spirit of India. Let us stand in gratitude to the countless men and women who fought with unshakable determination for our freedom. Their courage lit the path we walk today, and their courages will be forever etched in the heart of our nation. Since 1947, India has made remarkable progress in various fields, becoming a leading nation in technology, space exploration, and economy. Our diversity is our strength. Let us celebrate our unity and work together to build a stronger India. Let us commit to be responsible citizens, upholding our nation's values, protecting its dignity. Every small action we take can be a step towards a better tomorrow for all. Let us carry forward the flame of our freedom with pride and freedom. Jai Hind.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जाबोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Sushant.
जैसा कि हम सभी को पता है, हम लोग भारतवासी हैं, तो आज मैं हिंदी स्पीच बोलने वाली हूँ। श्रीमान प्रधान अध्यापिका महोदय, माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों और देशवासियों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन भारतवासी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन भारत के इतिहास को स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया है कि इस दिन को वह सुनहरी आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई थी, जिसका लोगों को कई वर्षों से इंतजार था। इस दिन भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया था। लोग गुलामी की जंजीरें तोड़कर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए थे। तब से भारत बहुत उन्नति कर चुका है। भारत के लोग आज भी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। हर साल देश के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराते हैं, जिसके बाद राष्ट्रीय गान गाया जाता है। सेना द्वारा परेड मार्च और शक्ति प्रदर्शन किया जाता है और साथ ही स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को 21 तोपों की सलामी दी जाती है। प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं। वे राष्ट्र को एकजुट रहने तथा अपनी स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। यह दिवस हमें महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों जिन्होंने अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगाया था। यह दिन हमें महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु सुखदेव, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मंगल पांडे, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लोकमान्य तिलक, लाला लाजपत राय समेत सैकड़ों महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के त्याग, तपस्या और बलिदान की याद दिलाता है। भारतवासी उनके बताए मार्ग पर चलने की संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के लोगों को आपसी मतभेद भुलाकर देश की नव निर्माण की प्रेरणा देता है। तो इसी के तहत मैं राष्ट्र के ध्वज के प्रति कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। आज़ादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। बची हो जो एक बूंद भी गरम लहू की, तब तक भारत माता की आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। जय भारत, जय हिंद।
तू ही जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे ही पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल तू ही जान, अम्मां तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
Hello.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जब और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा।
A very warm good morning to you all again, to respected principal also, and as well as my colleagues and the students present here today. I want to present a song sung by Lata Mangeshkar by herself. It's one of the most iconic and patriotic songs.
मेरे वतन के लोगों तुम खूब लगा लो नारा ये सब दिन है हम सबका लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो कुछ यार उन्हें भी कर लो जो लौट के घर न आए, जो लौट के घर न आए। ए मेरी वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ए मेरी वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन में धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदाना, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रही थी होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली, थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थे धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जात मरा था, कोई सिख कोई जात मरा था, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, भारतवासी, जो खून तेरा पर्वत पर, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna present a speech about Independence Day. 79 years of freedom. Not just a date in history, but the voice of millions of dreams. Our independence was not handed. It was fought for by hands that built without tools, by hearts that beat without fears. From the midnight of 1947 to this morning's sunrise, India has marched through challenges, through victories, lifting itself from the ground to touch the stars. But freedom is more than the presence of absence of chains. It is the presence of justice, of equality, and unity in our diversity. It is not something to remember once a year. It is something to live for every single day of our life. So as the tricolor rises above us, let it remind us, we are not just citizens of a free nation. We are the guardians of its soul. And the truest celebration of independence is that tomorrow, because of us, India will stand even taller than it does today. Jai Hind. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब लाओगे, कि घर कब लाओगे, लिखो कब लाओगे, कि तुम देंगे घर सुना सुना है,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ओ संग ते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है तो मैं तेरे लिए मर मिटेंगे तेरे बेटे नो पीछे हटेंगे जब तुझ पे याद आए हमें तू पुकार लेना बलिदान का बहाना हमें बार बार देना ये जो जानवान है तेरे सामने क्या है कोई शूरवीर ही प्राण दान देता है माँ से है माटी माँ से है माथा माथे पे माटी सजा के चले आए चलते लहरा के छूने तिरंगा आजा जिंद शामी ज़माने के
Right, go. Very first when it is time में लगे सब मम्मी पापा पूछते रहते वो किसको बनेगा कब अंदर अपना एक ही सपना बॉर्डर पे चले गए हम दुश्मनों को मारे या शहीद हुए हम 1600 मीटर सब पर बढ़ती रहती भारी बिना खाए पिए बढ़ती रहती है तैयारी 5 मिनट का खेल पर मेहनत रहती सालों की ऐसा लगाव रहता है जैसे यानी हो जय वीरों की मेरा भारत मान है भारत अब जान है भारत अब निशान है भारत जैसा किसी देश में ऐसा न सम्मान है मेरा भारत महान है आजादी आजादी हुक्मरानी से louder louder हुक्मरानी से 3, 2, 1, 2 हुक्मरानी से भारत से गरीबी से हम लेके रहेंगे तुम कुछ भी कर लो जोर से बोलो आजाद से बोलो ट्रैफिक जाम से बेरोजगारी से गरीबी से हम लेके रहेंगे तुम कुछ भी कर लो हम लेके रहेंगे जोर से बोलो बहुत जोर से बोलो बोलो जोर से बोलो बोलो और एक बार थैंक यू
City is known as Manchester of India. Option A, Ahmedabad. Option B, Surat. Option C, Kanpur. या option D, Coimbatore. Ahmedabad. Yes, correct. Congratulations. Okay, that way we add up the MCQ questions. Now, it is true and false. For the teachers. Okay, two chocolate, true and false. The budget is very high. So, the magnitude and the intensity is now growing higher. The national flag of India has 24 spokes in the Ashok Chakra. True or false? I heard Megha miss again.
Even I was good.
Okay.
2 chocolates.
Split. Everybody.
True, sir.
Who said?
True, sir.
All right. So the next question. For the teachers, Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat.
Yes, very good.
True.
One word. Take the first.
One-sided
Congratulations, Megamiss. I believe like your pockets will be filled today. So next question
Sir, sir.
again to the teacher. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the ruler of Jhansi. After many decades from the boys. Okay, children.
chocolate बहुत अच्छा है, tasty है.
The Constitution of India came into effect on 15th August 1947. Congratulations. Again, one more question. The last question to the students from Trent Falls. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India.
Raise your voice. Should raise higher.
I didn't see. Please do somebody's seat. I see. All right. Now this is the round 3. That means the final round. Okay. Now this question is students versus teachers. One has to raise the hand. Okay. Buzzer round. Buzzer round. Third round, right? How do you do buzzer round? Free chocolate. You don't have any Indian flag or what? No, it's okay. So, students, get ready. Teachers, get ready. And Britain sir, get ready. Yes. Round 3. Connection of slogans. Give me blood.
Amit sir. Amit sir.
Okay, the question is, give me blood and I will give you freedom. Who is associated with this powerful slogan? Yes, indeed, our great Subhash Chandra Bose. We all miss him. And get ready for the next question. The city of Amritsar is famously connected to which historical massacre? Because this time only the SSC teacher is going to visit.
Amit sir, let's wait for the students.
Students, he is the SST teacher, but you are learning from him, so the answer also should come from your side. Alright, the third question. This person designed the Indian national flag. Name him. 51, 52, 52 and a half. Yes, correct. Oh, nice recall. This was quite tough, huh?
Yes.
So the fourth question. Get ready. What major non-violent protest led by Mahatma Gandhi started in 1930 and involved the manufacturing of salts for this movement? Gandhi March. Madam also said the same time. That's it. Ma'am. Alright, this is the last question. Everyone, keep your... Listen. No. The last question. Okay. Now, look with your ears and listen with your eyes. Which question नहीं बताया I told you, no, miss, you are going to end up taking lots of chocolates in your pocket, but yet to come. Which significant historical date marked the day India officially... wait. Which significant historical date marks the day India officially became a republic?
Year.
Now the answers have come from this side only. No, the voice came from that side.
I'm excited, sir. Yes. So we said further. So this is one only you give.
Okay, this is on the girls' side.
One you give, one you give. All should get, no?
So, with this no, there is one more. Round 4, I didn't know.
The lucky one. Lucky twins.
This is quick fact. Okay. What is the national currency in India? Guru sir.
Long time.
Okay, next. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Amit sir.
Sir, this answer you should give to everyone.
Okay, the third question. Which is the largest state in India?
That side.
Thank you, sir. So here we have come to the end of our beautiful, very small, beautiful, sweet program. So we don't feel like ending it up, but it is customary, we have to do it. So at the end, I would like to thank every members present here. That start with our students at first. So class 9 students, they have cooperated us. At the last moment, they brought to us many beautiful programs, and I really appreciate for that, for class 9 students. So every time it is customary, we will call class 9, we will invite class 9 students to celebrate these programs. So a huge round of applause to class 9 students. Thank you, children, for being here. And next, I would like to thank our teaching staff, non-teaching staff, our office staff, and those who are in the sound system, our Anthony sir. A big thank you to everybody present here. And I would also like to offer my thanks to the organizing committee, our Sudeep sir, Bonasri Miss, who are the secretary and president of this organizing committee. So a huge round of applause to sir and miss. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bonasri Miss. So it was like a pleasant moment, like we enjoyed your program. You have organized very well. Thank you very much. And then I would like to thank our cultural department and our Ruman Miss, our Pritam sir, who is the anchor everywhere. In every program he used to anchor it. And I would like to give my heartiest thanks to them to anchor the program so beautifully and make it so very interesting. And I would like to thank our Mahananda sir, who has been doing the videography of our program and also the quiz master. So a huge round of applause to him as well. Behind the scene, he is always. So after one day or tonight, we do not know, we will get the pleasure of seeing the videos by him. He will be uploading in our YouTube channels, and we will wait for that moment, sir. Thank you so much, Mahananda sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you everybody, Sanjay brother, who had just come early morning and cleaned the this place so nicely and arranged everything so beautifully. Our mothers who have done beautifully arranging the things. So everyone who present here, so thank you so much being here. Just we should say, and I saw Mithun sir and Vikas sir accompanied both of them, and they brought the sweets for us, arranged sweets for us. So thank you, sir, so arranging beautifully. So everybody, so thank you so much being here and making this program a grand success. Every year I could see the improvement is there. Last time was different. It was also very good. And this time again it is improved bit. So next year again my expectation is now going higher and higher. So next committee member, whoever will come, so hope they will bring it up more than this. So as it is said, no, our like expectation always increases. It goes high and high. So it happens. So thank you so very much to everybody. And with this note, and once more, like a very, very happy Independence Day to all of you. And with this note, like, Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you so very much.